we are going to pay for school uniforms. And it's about 500 cities. Yeah, starting free home. Yeah, free a new swap.
Registration 500.
Okay. How much you have?
I know how much last into between.
Mami Mao Aquaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame Adjoa searching. Ebushna for His Excellency the former president now don't couple for the new free SHS and the agency. What's the students no air to uniform 500 cities. Mede. Yen last born, I was secondary school and all free fear. Was dining and no one in debut because we are no yari. And this from Bedim Omoagro. And this into the bank and consider Bena Ghana for who say NDC party, they are liars. NPP for by Mema once also a cromvoa. NPP party in Penifeno, Bebrea cromvoa. Yes, any pan or departing enemy no all born mine whom brand na. On person of a bomb man whom brand you. So my penny that I could for. Or better now, I could just have been papenty. I don't know what I your friend say. Free maternal care by those days who call war. I'm on dues can free. And this full rule Ghana 30 something years and sana on my penny could for NPP for back. And him for the moon, some of the Ghana gold, timber, bauxite, diamond, cocoa, ash or paper, so on free. A beer and cider. By NPP, bomb introduce it. Feeding fee, NPP at the buy. Free SHS, NPP at the buy. NPP party in Penifuno, hey, Nanado, no what pepas or Besson Ghana, or your pepper and combine, call for ambulance in Ghana name. And be serve Ghana, what brandy and be. Call the sham of fra. Free SHS, system schools, and now quite, NCC hospitals. Free SHS and another the bank when you said Petua, and for drone and band dream the panels or boo or from a wakano. Or painful be or here mojanti and for drone and branding service and crofano. The band and this if we have a power I drink Ghana who say, Yamfa, a your friend is a national policy beam, embroidered warm Timemufunina, national health insurance, and people at the buy, and this I vida. Dabi. And so still yet Ghana for Becca say, oh, who she and yet to Abanima NDC. Say NDC about between 4 years. Yes, NDC the national policy about Ghana ni bia Ghana ni baby beba. Free SHS NPP the ban who are left from one right to who so the free SHS no me mamu 1.5 years ebegu ebi so ma start e ton mu jo on omo nsase de show mo secondary school mo beton you na everybody ankofo. Now me confuse no free SHS no quite more said by this time NDC from trip. NDC from was down. Mucha free SHS no mo. Now mo fa be insult light no na me say light no. Your friend say taxes now more they have to electricity so that you too much you into into light. Into more de mucha free SHS na mo fa me boy because free SHS and parents they don't need it. Mo fa me boy yan no. Yen so yet me phone be ma phone so betimi atọ mo ne ama. And more free SHS bar for free. Everything was going on smoothly until say headmasters in the pub bonifubia Miss Ghana hano aside money no nothing works so Ghana new husika any Ghana new husika anybody catching institution be corrupt and Ghana free SHS was going on smoothly until say headmasters anybody for munya classes in here almost just school fees you know we natural on my say bedroom what's worth to uniform 500 cities yenti send and say equally
penny dear anti what any dear who call family bremi na mo fa mo dear
e ko pesca
masa eno nti no omo be pay a debre for their own interest masa the sam microphone e kasa kire mu a esese mo hwe yie me the mechanic say Oman bofo na yedi omo ase aban ne anima omo hwe omo ye na ebe fata wo mo enne wo muti ho you've gone to the international program and you abstain. What is the reason? Omo the reason abana wo man kan nienti a esese wo mo abstaining when you are fighting against it. Why won't you why would you go ahead? Because of one back and forth nothing I say Trump free yes African countries before a conference no one free Ghana can. But Ghana is supposed to be one of the leading. Ghana is one there's no international community I am free when he was leading international diplomacy on him friend in international diplomacy. What diplomacy are they showing to us? There's nothing of that nature.
Now, I'm going to interrupt to NDC for. In your time, John Mahama one. Look at your foreign minister. Now I didn't compare with you. Yay.
Mr. On my this one. Now 2028 no etayeni here. Enche. Someone has 6 months. Yeah. Enche 1 year. 7 months win away. Enche 1 year. Enche na 2 years aba. Na your name say 8 years na ebedru sisi ya. By memory ye ni aban mo. Nti mon tena ho ye na mon jam nan so. Na party no ne ministry ni say ne etwem no ye njai to ye chi. Ne nhwe ne wo ye nim. Enemri, what are we doing as a party? You bet nyanya leaders they will lead us. Flag bearer, constituency, polling station, constituency, regional and national executives they will give us a roadmap. You bet me I could for us to bring back power. If you imagine, me bawa Syrian school. Mate said we are going to pay for school uniforms. And it's about 500 cities. Yeah, starting free home. Yeah, free a new swap.
Registration 500.
Okay.
I'm waiting to hear you.
And no more mutual last or mutual.
Thank you. Near your vote, no. Near yepe as a Ghanaians, and you see any. As about Mistress Obia, young Shasa. On my buff war move on a young new move free on in 2020, not 2029, no. 7 January, NPP Befa or minor year. That's
okay. Political as a forte and Yatin Kanatiama, foreign affairs minister. Say, of force so guso a year propaganda. National Cathedral propaganda, no force and one gusua or ye. Any LGBT home sense, Mammy to Antiama.
Mammy starting free LGBTQR SW. Whatever it is. Then when my main can't break if we put that same course for winning to me. It is hard, yeah. My support to Macacrabo, so maybe, yeah. One player for the can. What's about support to Bosumi Bia? It's rain and that Bosumi be a dry. Mobetenenka. It's what my opinion that was it. A ball the whole year. Sa support a banner. Men go that side be there go support me nyame ensa etimi as my bon etimi 3/12
I said your mama any teacher for no why you 3 years near 3 months
etimi 3/12 the whole year meanwhile no say be 12/12
I don't so bawo yes eba
but so nyanya ko busa eba 3/12
na kwabrane no this kan
kwabrane ti ho ma ko busa wo bi was be about 2/12
now so my family yes sir
obuso bia so bo no de maximum na bia 4 or 5/12 ni nyina ye de aje ya no nti de ne pepe
ba ko no de bag kese ye ka say mo go see me office
I said the whole day ya ma
ya ka kra man fo bubu fu mo
see say say drop from polo mo fata owu
mo de mo na say ba
I say you bia you
fit ya ma wa say ya ye ko
twa ni na photo na kwa ba sa
ko si me ko twa photo ba
me di ko si office akotwa
enu ti paku
obi se me kan tro say kwaku ba akone kwa me sifa ka kru etu aka mo na kwa god ya sarbe dia
abukwada baya me hu bi mi abukwada baya etiri kwaku ya no nta